Hello students, I am Shanwas here. Next we have exercise 5.2 question number 10. Let A 2, 3 and B 2, -4 be 2 points. If P lies on the x-axis such that AP equal to 3/7 AB, find the coordinates of P. We need to find the coordinates of P. Where is this P? This P lies in the x-axis. Okay, so what is given is, so I'll draw a straight line here, the x-axis and y-axis. So this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. So here the points is given A and B. So A is 2, 3. So just I write here, this is 2. Keep in mind 2, 3. First it passes in the first quadrant. So this is A 2, 3. And what is B? 2, -4. So 2 is here. So we can write B is 2, -4. So this is given in the question. So P, our question is P lies on the x-axis. So I'll draw a straight line here for this. So this will be our P. This point is our P. So what is given? P lies on the x-axis. So what will be this point? When P lies in the x-axis, so we write x-axis, that is x, and y should be 0 because y is in the origin. So this is x, 0. So AB point is given, I have written here. P lies on the x-axis. Our B point will be x, 0 because it lies in the x-axis. Okay. Now what is our formulas given? AP is equal to 3/7 AB. That means you need to take the distance of AP is equal to 3/7 of distance of AB. First we'll take the distance for AP. Where is our AP here? Okay, so this will become x1 y1 and this will become x2 y2. Okay, so x minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 3 the whole square. We can write like this. What is the formula? X minus 2 the whole square. X minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 3 the whole square. 0 minus 3 the whole square. That is equal to 3/7 into, we'll take the square root. Square root AB. This is our AB. Now in AB we take this as x1 y1 and B will be x2 y2. That should be keep in your mind. Okay, so we have 2 minus 2 the whole square. 2 minus 2 the whole square plus minus 4 minus 3 the whole square. Minus 4 minus 3 the whole square. We will be having like this. Okay, so here what we have? X minus 2 the whole square. So this is A minus B the whole square. Formula is given. So we need to write A square plus B square minus 2AB. So A square is x square, B square is 2 square, that is 2 to 4. So minus 2AB. So 2 into x into 2. 2 into x into 2. That is how much? 2x. 2 to 4. So 4x. Okay. If you have a doubt, we can write here x minus 2 the whole square is equal to x square plus minus 2 the whole square plus 2 into AB, x into minus 2. So how much will you get? X square minus to minus plus 4, plus into plus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus 2 into 2 is 4, so 4x. So that only I have written here. Okay, that is equal to what is given? 3/7 into square root of 2 minus 2 is 0. So next what we have? Minus 4 minus 3. So minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 the whole square. Okay, So here what we have, x square plus 4 minus 4x. So here we have what we have, 0 minus 3 the whole square. We have forgot right here, 0 minus 3 the whole square plus 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So minus 3 square is minus to minus is plus, 3 3s are 9. So we need to write 9 here. Okay, now next, so remaining what we have, x, we can write x square, okay, minus 4x minus 4x. 9 plus 4 is 13. So we have plus 13, that is equal to 3 by 7 root of minus and minus plus 7 7s are 49. Okay, so next what we have, we keep this as it like, because we know that square root of 49 is 7. So we write x square minus 4x plus 13 as it like. So 3 by 7 into square root of 49 is 7. So we write 7. So now 7 and 7 will get cancel. Okay, so equal to what is pending? 3 is pending. Take the square root for right hand side. What will happen? X square minus 4x plus 13. When square root goes for right hand side, it will become square. So you will get 3 square. Okay, or else you square on both sides. If you square on both sides, square root and square will get cancelled. We will get having 3 square. Or else we can tell like that also. Square root goes for right hand side, will become square. So we have like this. So 3 3s are 9. So x square minus 4x plus 13. 3 3s are 9. This 9 will come inside. So it will go minus 9 equal to 0. So last we have x square minus 4x. 13 minus 9 is 4. So we have plus 4 equal to 0. So this becomes now quadratic equation. So I write by sum and product method. When we multiply, we should be getting 4. When we add, we should be getting minus 4. So what is the common number we need to find? When we multiply, we need to get this last one, that is plus 4. When we add, we should get minus 4. So we write 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. So here we have minus. So we write minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus. 2 2s are 4. Minus 2 plus minus 2 is minus 4. So directly we can write x minus 2 into x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So we have two factors. When x minus 2 is equal to 0, we have x equal to 2. When here this x minus 2 is equal to 0, we have x is equal to 2. Therefore, we say the coordinate of P is what? X comma 0. What is given? X comma 0. So what is our x? 2 comma 2. So we write 1 2. 2 comma 0. This is our solution. Thank you.